Hey guys, it's me Tremaine. Welcome back to a new video, and today I will show you 8 different hairstyles that you can use for a braid out. But before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe right now. Hairstyle number 1, half up, half down. This is all you need. Hairstyle number 2, 2 ponytails. Number 3, a full updo. So far I've used my strings. Hairstyle number 4, a half updo, where the front will be out. Choose a group in the front. Alright, it should be fine. Hairstyle number 5, basically an afro but with a side part. Hairstyle number 6, it's gonna be the same afro but with the middle parting. Hairstyle number 7 is very simple. It's kind of like a back ponytail. I'm not a fan of gel lately, so I would just get my edges together and that's it. But you don't need to sneak it down with gel, okay? And there you have a down poof, whatever it's called. Hairstyle number 8, the very known mohawk. Let's get into this bad one. It takes time. to the end of the video. I want to thank you so much for watching it. Let me know in the comments below which hairstyle you want to try out, and if you did try them out and you want to let me know about a new hairstyle, just write that down. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe if you already haven't. Alright, so make sure you do that, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.